Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy DEFI again, and in this short tutorial I just want to take you through the registration process of DeFi staking platform, or some as it is commonly known as DSP, using a TRONLINK PRO Mobile Wallet. So as you can see, this is my wallet, and so we have to first locate the wallet browser. So to get the wallet browser in a TRONLINK Pro Wallet, you click on me. It's on the right at the bottom of this page, because at the bottom we have asset, we have markets, we have discover, and we have me. So you click on me to bring this page. You click on advanced features, then you click on DApp browser. So when you click on DApp browser, it will bring that page, and as you can see there, it says please enter the web link. So you copy the link from your sponsor and you paste it there. So anytime you want to buy into the auction lobby, you should copy the link from your sponsor and you paste it there, so that you get a 5% discount, and also he gets some referral commissions from you. So it is a win-win situation in both cases for you two parties. So I've already copied my link, so I paste it here, and make sure that you paste it and all the values are there. For example, now mine, I know it in the head that it ends with 9p. So after, you click on that gray arrow, sorry about that, click on the gray arrow and it opens like that. Now we are into DeFi staking platform and built on Tron. So this is the main page, and below it here, down here, you can see they say join our community. There is a Telegram link and also a Twitter link, and also some information about DeFi staking platform on the main page. So what you should do now is you enter the auction lobby. So you click on auction lobby and it opens like that. It loads the dividend histogram. This is the progress of the Tron that has been entering into the system, and today we are at 7 million. The auction is still open. So I happened to buy some Tron, to buy some DSP today. As you can see, this is the auction lobby here, and we are in day number 10, so you have to focus on number 10 here. All these other ones, as you can see them, they are closed. So day number 10 is the one that is open. So you click on enter at the end of day number 10. When you click on enter, it brings that little pop-up telling you to enter the Tron. So you put in the amount of Tron that you want to get started with, and remember, the higher the amount of Tron that you want to get started with, the more tokens that will be given to you. And when you stake those tokens, you'll find that the people who are having more tokens are getting more dividends compared to people who are having little tokens in the system. So you enter the amount of Tron. Let me take an example of 10,000. 10,000. I'll enter 10,000. Let me remove the comma. Let me do it again. 2, 3, 4. I've entered 10,000. So you click on enter the auction. It brings a pop-up. It brings this authorization tips. So here you just have to click on continue, and it brings that. So it is telling 10,000 TRX, and the function here, you see, it is you are entering the lobby. So it tells you here to enter the wallet password. You put in your password here. You put in your password. After putting the password, this button here, it will become blue, and you'll have to click on it. When you click on it, the money, the Tron will be transferred from your wallet on into your back office. Let me cancel this and I show you where it will. And when it is transferred into your back office, it will appear here. You see the number 10 at the end of the number 10. Let me refresh so that they come back. Those values, they have come back. So the number 10. Now you see there is where they have written your entry and DSP received. So they have given me 332.19 DSP from the 1000 Tron that I used to buy. But this is not the final DSP that I'll be getting, because the auction is still open, and the final amount of DSP will only be determined after the auction has ended. Yeah, so I expect to get way less tokens compared to what is here. Yeah, so that's how it is done basically. And so it will appear here until this timer up. There is a timer at the top of that page. As you can see it, it says auction ends. When that timer runs to 0, then these tokens we have bought will be available for collection, and that enter button there, it will become a collect button. So maybe in the next video I'm going to come back and show you exactly how that one is. It appears, and I've also mentioned it in some other videos that I've been shooting over time, so you can take a look at the videos that are in the description of the video, and you see exactly what I'm meaning. So that's all I had for in this short tutorial. See you in the next video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, as well as to comment on my videos and liking my videos. I really appreciate that from you. So see you guys.